friends, how are you? Expecting you all would be fine. Friends, in our day to day English conversation, on many occasions we use the word could. Today, in this video lecture, we will learn how to use the word could in different conditions. Could is a modal auxiliary verb which is used to express ability, possibility, and also to express politeness in our speech. To acquire knowledge as to what can be the possible conditions in which we use the word could in sentences, watch this video till the end. First of all, let it be clear that could is the past form of can. The very word can refers to as the ability to do something. So, we use the word could to express the ability of a person to do something in past. Just take a look through examples. When I was young, I could run 30 minutes daily. Likewise, we can make another sentence. She could dance well while she was in school. These sentences infer that the person was able to do something in past, but not now. Let us see the next use of could. Could is used to express the possibility in present, future, and past as well. Let's begin with the use of could in sentences in present. He could be late for meeting. One example is this. The next is, the sky is overcast, so it could rain soon. As I said, could can also be used to show possibility in future. Such type of sentences are conditional sentences, which means one condition depends on other. Let us understand through examples. If you study well, you could pass the exam. The next example is, if you don't wear warm clothes, you could catch cold. In these sentences, we find that one condition is more likely to happen when the other condition is fulfilled. Likewise, could can also be used in sentences to express the possibility in past. When something was possible in past, but that didn't happen due to any reason, in this condition, we use the auxiliary verb could. Just have a look in sentences. He could have won the prize if he had participated in the debate competition. The other example is, she could have got the job if she had gone to the interview. In such type of conditions, the structure would be could have plus the third form of verb as well as had plus the third form of verb. We use could in sentences to express politeness as well. Let us see the uses of could in order to ask for permission. Could you lend me some money, please? Could I take one day leave, please? This is Oscar English Institute of Learning, a YouTube channel. Did you subscribe my channel? If not yet, do it now. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of new videos on time. We also use could for making offer. Through these examples, it becomes clear. Could I get you something to eat? The next sentence is, could I help you out with your project work? In order to make a request, we use could in sentences. Look at these examples. Could I ask you to sing a song? Could you pass me the salt, please? If you have to give a piece of advice or suggestion, in that condition you again use could in sentences. How can it be? Let us know through these examples. You could improve your writing skills by taking help from your sister. We could go to a newly opened Chinese restaurant for lunch. I am damn sure that this video has enlightened you. If so, press the like button, share with your near and dear who desperately want to improve English. Do leave comment in comment box. We'll meet very soon in next video lecture. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye.